Haiti is way more impoverished than Jamaica, and Haiti do not have a crime rate like Jamaica. Haiti don't have 112 murder in less than a month. So is poverty really the number one contributing factor to the problems in Jamaica? Because if other countries that are way more impoverished than Jamaica, that don't have a crime rate like Jamaica, we need to know what is causing the crime in Jamaica. Yes. So I don't know, say One Nation and I'm our nation. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentle G's. You don't know who it is already. Need to go see more. Make sure some like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit notification bells. We can go to fam. You understand? Yeah, man. So we see us, by RJR. My source is RJR, and it says murders up 112 people killed in less than a month. Jamaica, what the fuck? It says here that murders in Jamaica may have risen 15% when compared to the first 23 days in January last year. So each year, the murders are going up. And the type of killings, the disgusting type of killings, are getting more popular. More innocent people are dying. Jamaica, where the bomb clot. You know, so certain places of the world where them are war, don't even have them numbers here already. Literally, places that are in war don't have these numbers right here. Why do we have these numbers right here, Jamaica? Are we at war? We're not in a bomb clot war. What's contributing to these numbers? What is contributing to 112 murders in less than a month? What? No, we have to take a deep dive and look into the culture and see what's going on in the culture that is making this a little bit too, you know what I mean? Because we're not in war, as I said, we're not in war. But what is the contributing factor? A lot of people are going to say poverty. Definitely, poverty is the root cause for a lot of problems. But is it really poverty? Is it really poverty that's causing the problems in Jamaica? I can call out other countries that's more impoverished than Jamaica, and they do not have a crime rate nowhere near Jamaica's. Nowhere near Jamaica's crime rate. Now, the country I'm going to call is Haiti. Haiti is way more impoverished than Jamaica, and Haiti do not have a crime rate like Jamaica. Haiti don't have 112 murder in less than a month. So is poverty really the number one contributing factor to the problems in Jamaica? Because if other countries that are way more impoverished than Jamaica, that don't have a crime rate like Jamaica, we need to know what is causing the crime in Jamaica. You can't just blame it on poverty alone. No, poverty, that is, I would say, that was the number one cause, the first reason, the root cause. People steal because they want to survive. People, steal, and it just so happened some people have to die during the event of a robbery. People dead. But outside of that, when you see certain people dead, why? Why would you kill a grandmother? Why would you shoot a grandmother in her head? Why would you bust a little baby throat? What's contributing to these things? What's going on in the culture that make this okay? You want to know what I think? I think the music is one of the biggest contributing factors right now as to why Jamaica have a crime problem. Because, as I said, you can't blame poverty. How are you going to blame poverty alone when time Haiti more impoverished? But Haiti don't have 112 people dead in less than a month. We have murder music that we dance to. You understand what I say? This is the same music with me like, And a lot of people are going to say, oh, all right then, so it's not the music, because if you never do it, that means nobody not kill nobody because of music, because you not kill nobody because of music. Listen, you have people that are way more impressionable than me. You have people that don't think like me. They don't have my thought process. They are weak in the thinking, easily impressionable, as I said. Still have the mind of a child, soaking everything like sponge. Now, let me tell you something. If you're going to say music, okay, so this is the argument a lot of them pull. Oh, if music is a contributing factor, then you have to blame movies too. Let me tell you this. You don't watch a movie You don't watch a movie that is average an hour and a half. You don't watch it all day, every day. But you will listen to one song all day, every day, especially a new song we hear. You will listen to a new song we love all day, every day. For 10 hours, you can listen to one song over and over and over and over again. And that right there is called programming. You're literally programming yourself. You're telling me that Bob Marley could use his good music and change the world for a better place, but you're telling me that bad music, negative music don't have a negative impact on the world? You're a damn idiot. If you are going to tell me that music don't have no say-so in whatever is going on in a certain country or culture, you are a born idiot. People use music to create social change. So you're telling me that music can do good but not bad? You're a fucking idiot. And I don't care if you're my friend, I don't care if you're my family member. If you have the view that music don't contribute nothing negatively, fuck you, you're an idiot. You are an idiot. You are an idiot. People used to use music to create change in society. But you're looking at me and telling me that music don't have no effect on anything negatively. In Jamaica, when Cartel say Clarks, you couldn't find a Clarks for wear, not even a fake one them. When the man say yo straight jeans and fitted, you can't find a straight jeans. When the man say yo rosary and them thing, everybody start to wear rosary. When the man say bleaching, everybody start to rub. But you tell me say if a youth hear a gun song, he's not going to be inspired. He's not going to be inspired to go bust a gun. Even though you have people like me who don't hear music and move off the music. That's what you're telling me? Is that what you're really sitting here and telling me? Music do have no influence at all. When I listen to certain music, there were goosebumps come from my hand one time or some liberating, loving song and some song that make you want to move mountains. When time me in some fuck up mentality, I'm listening to certain music more and bust a boy head. I'm listening to Eminem, I'm listening to DMX, I'm listening to Cartel, I'm listening to Idonia. Any gun song me hear, I want vibes more and bust a boy head. I say, you're right, and so brush all a boy, bust him head, But it's because my logical and my reasoning, I know right from wrong, brother. I know that have blood clot consequence behind it. If I go and do something to this man right here, so more than likely, I'll probably die or end up in jail. So I don't do it. You have people who are not reasonable or logical at all. They don't give a damn about that. So then we go bust a gun and know say, yo, you're a jail in the care. Prison in the care. And a lot of them, after them do the crime, they do care. Because when police are coming for them run. If you're so bad, don't run from them. Go shoot out with them right then and there. Uno so quick for go kill an innocent man and an innocent woman, but uno will run from police. No, shoot out for the police them bad, bro. Go and kill the police them like you kill innocent people. Go and shoot out and rob the police them like you shoot out and rob innocent people. No found we are boss gonna eat that, brother. Big up all of the real bad man them. We protect them community and don't go out there and abuse them power. Because the gun is power. You don't see I use this for better yourself, for your family, your community. You fight any form of injustice that come in your community, whether it's another community, you try to flatten your community. You don't see you have to defend yourself. Big up them real bad man there. Bad man I used to help grandma carry her blood clot grocery when time she come from market and step off of the bus. Them youth right now kill grandma, bust grandma throat. So what is contributing to 112 murder? Me no know. Uno tell me. You understand myself? Because maybe my outlook is wrong, but poverty and music is the two biggest contributing factors to the crime in Jamaica, and that's where I stand on that. Let me know what you think. You understand what I say? You don't know say one nation and I'm our nation. My name is Nicholas Simora. I make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit notification bell to go and go to fam. You understand? Up move!